Oh man. Whoa! Whoa!
Like right on top.
Wind chill. Oh! 6 knots out here.
Yeah. You call that a knife? This is a knife. Great, Noah, get out of the street.
Dude, what are you doing?
Stop it.
Kind of settling down, guys.
Whoa.
But not really. I mean, it's never gonna settle down.
There's a lot of action.
Awesome, guys.
I can't put my... Oh. That was like a whistle too. Whoa.
The bees.
Nice.
That was pretty cool.
Killer bee found, so it was like
Wait.
some sort of a whistle. That was pretty
On
cool.
our journey.
These people are having like a battle. Who can
This
get the best spot?
Is what July 4th is about.
He's a little crazy. But yeah, here's a view of the
Hey.
guys having.
Beautiful.
And if you like the video, leave a like. 4th of July is pretty cool with all these fireworks. Pause it. Nice, they're back in business.
No way.
Wow. Woo! There's some big ones. Wow. Sudden silence. Firework badness. I don't even see any. It's just boom. Wow. Whoa, 2 bombs.
People back there just did a huge clap.
Okay.
Noah, get back.
Soda pop. Missing the fireworks. Okay. That just looks so awesome. What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
There's two people that are like behind the trees. There's like three, but they're going crazy too. Whoa. Some big fireworks. Like there's a person over there. Person by that tree. Then there's a person over there. But they're all behind trees. So they're hard to see. Whoa! Whoa. Some of these sound like cool birds. Whoa! This is madness. Put it on a good show. Soda pop fountain.
Whoa.
Whoa. That was insane. I know we would do like big pop. Everyone's going crazy. Sudden silence.
Yeah, that was their grand finale.
Can't wait.
Johnny and I can't wait. Let's do this.
What is it called?
The dragon. What?
That's it.
Make sure to put down your volume if it's a little loud. Hurt your ears.
Well, maybe just watch the max volume, guys.
Screamers.
Got some streamers. Streamers.
Loki, let's go. Okie dokie, let's go. Let's do this.